Arizona enforces strict rules for drivers who are not yet 21 years old. Any driver under this age who gets pulled over with a blood alcohol level above 0.0% can face charges. This means even the smallest amount of alcohol in your system while driving is illegal if you are underage. The state classifies this offense as a Class 1 misdemeanor under Arizona law. For a first-time charge, you might receive probation. However, the potential consequences are serious. You could face up to 6 months in jail and pay fines and surcharges totaling $2,500. Additional penalties may also apply depending on your specific case. First-time offenders do not face required minimum jail sentences like adults charged with standard DUI offenses. Courts often grant probation for young drivers with no prior record. However, a conviction can still result in serious consequences. You could face jail time of up to 6 months. The court may impose fines reaching $2,500. You will also lose your driving privileges for 2 years through a mandatory license suspension. Additional requirements include drug and alcohol counseling sessions, regular drug and alcohol testing, community service hours, installation of an ignition interlock device for 2 years after license reinstatement. The license suspension creates major challenges for young people in Arizona. Public transportation options remain limited across most of the state. You need a car to get to school, work, and other daily activities. Your attorney may request a restricted permit from the Motor Vehicle Division. This special license lets you drive to specific locations during the suspension period. Approved destinations typically include school, work, and court-mandated alcohol education classes. When you get convicted of an underage DUI in Arizona, you face one of the toughest penalties, losing your driver's license for 2 years. The Motor Vehicle Department must suspend your driving privileges as soon as they receive your conviction record. This applies to anyone who was 18, 19, or 20 years old when they committed the offense. This suspension happens automatically. You cannot avoid it if you are convicted. Being under 21 does not shield you from standard DUI charges in Arizona. If your blood alcohol concentration reaches 0.08% or higher, or if you show any level of impairment while driving, you face the same charges as adult drivers. Standard DUI penalties include mandatory jail time, 2-year license suspension, court fines, ignition interlock device requirement, alcohol screening and education classes, probation terms, community service hours. Your age provides no protection when your BAC meets adult DUI thresholds. Certain conditions can elevate your charge to aggravated DUI, which is a felony offense. These aggravating factors carry much harsher punishments. A felony conviction creates serious obstacles early in your life. It can prevent you from getting jobs, attending certain schools, and pursuing specific career paths. The consequences extend far beyond your initial court case and can affect your future for years to come. When you face underage DUI charges, our legal team conducts a thorough review of your case details and examines all evidence. We work to secure the best possible result for your situation. Our firm brings proven experience in DUI defense to your case. We understand prosecution strategies and know what evidence persuades prosecutors to reduce or drop charges. This insight comes from handling DUI cases and understanding how both sides approach these matters. Contact Phoenix DUI Lawyer attorneys at law at 602-900-9891 to discuss your situation. Our criminal law team provides strong defense strategies for DUI cases throughout Arizona.